Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Tabith Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Tabith Giselle. I do beauty and lifestyle content, so I really hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a summer date night eye makeup look and also lips as well. I've already done my face prior to this video. I will list a video of me doing foundation, highlighting and contouring if you guys want to see how I do that, but today's just going to be mainly focused on eyes and also lips as well. So I really hope you enjoy it, and this look is perfect for summer date night makeup, or just a night out with the girls, or just a night out by yourself. It's just a very nice smoky eye makeup look with a hint of a brown shadow on as the main eye. So I really hope you enjoyed, and let's get started. Guys, the first palette I'm going in with on my eyes is the Artist and Muse from KKW Beauty. Love this palette so much. It's got all the colors that I love to use. And to start off the look, I'm going to be going in with Glam King here, which is like, so guys, this is just a natural like light brown that matches to my skin tone, and I'm going to be using that as the transition color. It's called Glam King and it looks like that. I think you guys have probably seen me using this in a couple of videos, but I absolutely love this as a transition color. It's just got a nice finish to it. Then guys, I'm gonna go in with my other palette, and this one is from Born This Way. No, this is from Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way, the Natural and Nudes palette. I'm gonna be using this color here called Truffle. It is like a nice deep smoky brown, which is absolutely perfect for a good smoky eye. So I'm gonna go in with that and and just add that to where we've applied the transition color. So guys, after that we are going to go in with the main eyeshadow for the eyelid area, and this is the shade I'm Inspired from KKW Beauty. I absolutely love this. It's like a chocolate brown, and that's going to be the center of our eyes. This is what the eyes look like so far. Then taking the brush that we were already using to blend out the eyeshadows, and I'm just going to blend out any sort of like little mess that was made from using the main color, and just making sure everything is just sort of uniformed, and just blend it in well together. So just like that, that is literally what we're going to do for the eye. And then now we're going to move on to the lower lash area, like I always do, guys. So I'm going to use the same eyeshadows that I've used on my actual eyes. I'm going to use them on my waterline area. So yeah. So after doing the rest of the eyes, I'm going to go in with my mascara, and this is the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I hope you guys can see it, but yeah, that's what I'm going in with before doing lashes. So guys, for my lips, I'm going in with the OG, which is the Berry So Chic lip liner. I almost forgot what I was saying then, but it's the lip liner, and I use this all the time. It's the same lippy that never fails me. Then I'm going in with this color as well that I always use for my lippy, and this is the Les Chocolats Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. So guys, this is the finished look. This is a lovely brown smoky sort of eye with a nude lip and a touch of gloss. I went in with the gloss from Berry, and this is called the Extreme Lip Plumper. That is my favorite. And yeah, that was it guys for the look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.